Today we have an emergency text from one of our readers in regards to a brake pull that he can't solve. Next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
So this morning I received a text from Eric in regards to a brake pull issue he's having with one of his customers' vehicles. He says this is a 2006 Chevy Cobalt, and the issue is a brake pull under non-ABS stops. ABS stops, he says he's still getting relatively about the same pull. So what's the issue? Well, I texted Eric back to see what he's inspected so far on the vehicle and what he's replaced. He says he hasn't replaced anything yet, but he's done a lot of inspection on the vehicle and also has done a couple bleeds on it to see what's going on. He said everything is free, the caliper is free, the master cylinder seems to be generating enough pressure, the wheel bearings are in great shape, everything looks great on the vehicle, there's no restricted lines on the bottom of the vehicle, and the hoses are in great shape. So what's the issue? Well, it actually could be an ABS problem, even though this is a non-ABS stop problem. The issue here is one of the isolation or dump valves staying open or staying closed on the vehicle when the vehicle is trying to stop. Think about it. Each wheel on a vehicle has two of these valves. One to isolate the wheel, to hold it locked, and one to open up to dump the pressure at the wheel so it'll help spin again. If these remain stuck open or closed, this can cause a brake pull issue because that pressure that needs to go to the wheel is being redirected inside the ABS HCU. So, Eric, take a look at the HCU, maybe do a couple HCU bleeds with a scan tool, and also try going for a test drive on a low friction road. What am I talking about here? Either a gravel road or some other surface where the ABS will activate and see if the problem gets better or worse. We'll do a follow-up on this. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.